Hi guys and welcome to the Uma Show. Another episode goes live today. Today is Monday and every Monday I upload a video on my YouTube channel and I have been doing it since years. So if you've subscribed to my channel, you know that. But if you haven't, please subscribe to my channel. I would so love to have you in my community. I upload videos about health and wellness, but a lot of videos about holistic beauty. So if that's your subject, you're at the right place. And I talk about so many different modalities of holistic beauty that can make you look and feel youthful and beautiful inside out. And if you've been following me on Instagram as well as on YouTube and other social media platforms, then you know that recently I've launched my own range of holistic beauty tools. I first launched my gua sha and you guys showed so much love to it. Thank you so much. And then I launched my 3D face rollers, and recently I have launched set of 4 facial cups. And I'm super excited for it. A lot of questions about it. So I thought, let me do a video on facial cupping. Who is it for? How should you use it? And what are the changes you will see when you start using facial cupping? And of course, a lot of you are skeptical about it. I totally understand that. But regular use of facial cupping, and when you combine it with gua sha, face massage and face yoga, you see some fantastic results. Honestly, I mean, it has really transformed my skin. So today I'm going to talk about that. So if your skin is looking dull suddenly and you have this sagging look and tired look and you have lots of puffiness, facial cups are just for you because it really helps depuff your face. It also adds that glow, it boosts collagen production, and it eventually smoothens your skin and lifts your face. How to use it? Very easy to use it, and that's what I'm going to show you today. So I have a set of 4 facial cups. These are the 4 of different sizes. They are made of medical grade silicone and also glass. This is glass, not plastic, not PVC. As you know, I'm very particular about the material I use for my products. So I'm using Seabuckthorn oil from Living Libations. If you want to have more details about it, it's on my website. I absolutely love this oil. You guys know it if you've been following me on my social media. So apply the oil on your face, evenly spread it. And what I do before I start my facial cupping, I just stimulate the entire area. So maybe a little bit of, massage, just slowly bring about that blood circulation and make this whole area ready for facial cups. So just generally, gently stimulating this area and increasing the blood circulation and preparing the skin for cupping. And you all know how much I love massaging my face, not just for looking youthful, but it just makes me feel so good. I mean, it really helps me shift my mood most of the time if I need to. It's kind of a tapping technique for me. So yeah, prepare your entire face. Also, it helps spread out the oil evenly. Once you're done with that, I'm taking this size. You're going to place it on your chin and make sure it's placed properly here like this. And then press the silicone for it to have that suction effect. And then slide it upwards and down. So press it, you have this suction, slide it up and down. So what it's doing is it's draining out all the toxins that it needs to depuff, to increase the blood circulation and to stimulate this entire area. And it will become a bit red, which is absolutely fine. It feels so good because it releases all the stress and tension from your face, and as we all know how much of it we carry on our face. On the other side, start from the jawline. So you can see I pressed, use the suction to hold this and then slide up and down. You're always sliding up on the face. Sorry, I'm talking so. And then down to drain it. And now I will use this one, the smaller size, on the forehead. Forehead is a bit of a challenging place because we don't have so much skin here like we have here for it to hold, but then you can still do it. So you will place it here properly and press the silicone, the ball, and have that suction and then go up and down. And with the same one, I will use it on my these laugh lines now, like this. Also on my depressors. And then I have the small one for the under eye area. And for that, very light movement. Slightly. So I'm placing it here and having light suction and then going up. You can also do, you can also have suction and release under eye very lightly, because as we all know, this area is sensitive area. You can also use both your hands to do this. This is just a perfect size for under eye or around eye area. You can use both your hands too and go up and slide down, go up and slide down, go up and slide down. Starting from your jaw, going up to your lip area, then your cheekbones and under eye. And then your forehead. And then with the small ones, under eye. How easy is that? So it will really help if you can segment your face. So this could be one area, this could be another segment, 2, this could be 3, and then under eye 4, and then 5 areas. If you segment it and you know the movement, suction, slide up and slide down, it's as easy as you see it. Of course, you'll need a little bit of practice because everyone's face is different, skin is different, and you need to know how much your face is comfortable with that suction effect, and then over time you will know exactly how much to do. Like for example, I did so much of it here on my laugh lines, but initially when I started off, obviously I wasn't doing so much. Yeah, the suction effect or the pressure when your skin is getting sucked by the cups, you will also know how much is right for your skin and your face slowly as you practice. As I always say, consistency is the key to see results. So if you're consistent with it, you will see some amazing results. You can do at least twice or 3 times in a week and see how it goes with you. I combine all of it together. So some of the days I do face yoga and face massage, and then I combine that with gua sha. Some days I do gua sha and facial cups. Some day I do face yoga, face massage, and facial cups. So I combine all of it, but I make sure I'm doing something every single day for my skin to keep glowing and my face to be lifted and my spirit to be lifted. So guys, let me know how you find this video. Was it helpful? And if you found it helpful, please comment. If you have any questions, please comment. I'm always here to answer your questions. And if you want to buy these, then visit my website and all the details are there. Oh, I forgot to talk about this size. This size is for the body. I've been using it for my cellulite on my thighs and I see some amazing results. I also use it for my arms. So this one you can use it on body. There are no side effects, guys. If you have got the hang of it, it's very, very easy to use. So try it. I mean, it's really has shown great results on me as well as a lot of my clients. So try it. For more details, go on my website. Thank you so much for watching. Waiting for your comments and subscribe to my channel. Write to me, interact with me on Instagram or YouTube. I'm always here to answer your questions and, well, sending you lots of love and health and lots of kisses. See you soon.